Hello guys. This world is full of mystery. Today I'm going to show you scientifically impossible places that actually exist. To get latest videos, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 5. Helstone Lights. The Helstone Lights are unexplained lights observed in a 12-kilometer long (7.5 miles) stretch of the Helstone Valley in rural central Norway. The Helstone Lights are of unknown origin. They appear both by day and by night, and seem to float through and above the valley. They are usually bright white, yellow or red and can appear above and below the horizon. The duration of the phenomenon may be a few seconds to well over an hour. Sometimes the lights move with enormous speed, at other times they seem to sway slowly back and forth. On yet other occasions, they hover in mid-air. Unusual lights have been reported in the region since at least the 1930s. Especially high activity occurred between December 1981 and mid-1984, during which the lights were being observed 15 to 20 times per week, attracting many overnight tourists who arrived in for a sighting. As of 2010, the number of observations has dwindled, with only 10 to 20 sightings made yearly. Since 1983, there has been ongoing scientific research, referred to as Project Helstone, initiated by UFO Norge and UFO Sweden. This project was active as field investigations during 1983 to 1985. A group of students, engineers and journalists collaborated as the Triangle Project in 1997-1998 and recorded the lights in a pyramid shape that bounced up and down. In 1998, the Helstone Automatic Measurement Station Helstone AMS was set up in the valley to register and record the appearance of lights. Number 4. Boiling River. The Shanay-timpishka, also known as La Bamba, is a tributary of the Amazon River, called the only boiling river in the world. Deep in the Amazon, there is a 4-mile-long river that kills. This river kills everything that falls into it. With maximum temperatures of over 200 degrees Fahrenheit, the Shanay-timpishka gets as hot as 196 F (91.1 degrees Celsius) and boils anything that enters the water alive. Usually for a river to reach this temperature it must be in close proximity to a volcano, but the nearest one is nearly 700 kilometers away. Animals have been observed falling into the water and being cooked from the inside out as they struggle to safety. According to local traditions, the boiling river is a place of tremendous spiritual power. Here, a shaman plays a song to the spirit of the vapor, which he believes carries the prayers of the rocks, jungle, and all creation to their creator. Scientists believe there may be a fault line beneath the earth that causes the phenomena, but they have yet to prove the theory. Number 3. Double Tree. Between Grana and Casorzo in Piedmont, Italy, a very unique tree grows. Known as the double tree of Casorzo or Bialbero de Casorzo in Italian, it is a mulberry tree on top of which a cherry tree grows. The cherry tree rises well above the mulberry tree on which it stands. The strange tree is also known as Grana double tree. Nobody knows for sure how this happened. Probably some bird dropped a seed on top of the mulberry which then grew roots through the hollow trunk of the host tree to reach the soil. While trees growing parasitically over another tree is not unusual, but they normally do not reach the size and lifespan as seen in this particular example, as there is not enough humus and space available where they grow. Large, double trees, also called epiphytes, like the Bialbero de Casorzo are a rarity. Although not the only double tree, also known as an epiphyte, in the world, the Bialbero de Casorzo is probably the most impressive looking. Number 2. Kawah Ijen. In Indonesia, a sulfur mine was built in the side of a volcano, but there's no danger of eruption. The volcano itself is dormant, but at night a neon blue substance spills down its side, flowing like a river of lava. This phenomenon is caused by the sulfur being mined from within the volcano. Heat causes the sulfur gas trapped inside to build up and escape, causing blue flames to shoot up to 5 meters into the air. The phenomenon is caused when the volcano's sulfuric gases come into contact with air temperature above 360 degrees Celsius. The gas then semi-solidifies into a liquid form and flows down the mountain. Once it hardens it is mined by the workers. The sulfur in the air is toxic and gas masks need to be worn to remain safe, but many workers cannot afford them and use wet clothes instead. Workers earn around Rp 50,000 to 75,000 $5.50 to $8.30 per day and once out of the crater, still need to carry their loads of sulfur chunks about 3 kilometers to the nearby Paltuding Valley to get paid. The active crater at Kawa-Ijen has a diameter of 722 meters (2,369 feet) and a surface area of 0.41 square kilometers (0.16 square miles). It is 200 meters (660 feet) deep and has a volume of 36 cubic hectometers (29,000 acre-feet). Number 1. Bermuda Triangle. Located in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined triangle between Bermuda, Florida and Puerto Rico. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle or Hurricane Alley. The vicinity of the Bermuda Triangle is amongst the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world, with ships frequently crossing through it for ports in the Americas, Europe and the Caribbean islands. In this Bermuda Triangle where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. The earliest suggestion of unusual disappearances in the Bermuda area appeared in a September 17, 1950. The total area varying from 1,300,000 to 3,900,000 square kilometers, 500,000 to 1,510,000 square miles. Many U.S. military planes disappeared in the vicinity of the Bermuda Triangle. The U.S. Navy Avenger's Flight 19 disappeared in the vicinity of the Bermuda Triangle. Commercial flight NC-16002 also disappeared in the triangle vicinity. The SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a converted T-2 tanker ship carrying molten sulfur and 39 crew members, disappeared near the southern coast of Florida. It was last heard from on February 4, 1963. Many researchers try to explain the happenings inside the Bermuda Triangle. But no one succeed.